guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how to use a cheat code in GTA Vice City. You have to go Play Store and search ESC search hacker keyboards. Hacker keyboard. And there is ESC hacker keyboards. I have downloaded this apps. Please download this app and open this app. Then first you have to go setting and language input and language. Go to the option language and input. Difficult keyboard. There is hackers keyboard, Samsung keyboard. Click the hackers keyboard. Then go to message and click here to create a message. Then there is something. Click here and setting for hackers keyboard. Click there and there is use permanent. There is use permanent notification. Click. You can you can select these two. Then go to my city. Premium skin. And go back